posteriorly or the back side. So this is mostly that we need to inspect skin. Now, if Rose was unable to sit up earlier and we still needed to do a posterior auscultation of her lungs, this would be an opportune time to go ahead and listen to her back, because you have her up on her side to inspect her skin. So if you were going to auscultate, you would use your 8 locations for auscultation of the back. For her bottom, because the sacrum is one of the locations that is most common to have a pressure injury, we would want to inspect her sacrum and any other posterior areas to see if they have any redness or blanching. So please remember, stage 1 pressure ulcer, it is redness that does not blanch. So you put your finger in, remove your finger, the area stays red. Stage 2 would be a blister or a popped blister. So think if you have had a blister on your heel from a pair of shoes. You end up with a blister, then it pops and you have a shallow crater. That would be a stage 2. Stage 3 would be down into the subcutaneous tissues. It can have undermining and tunneling. Stage 4 would be bone, muscle, ligaments, tendons are showing. You have unstageable, which would be an injury that has the black thick eschar or the yellow stringy slough that needs to be removed for staging. Then you have deep tissue injury, which looks like a terrible bruise, purple maroon in color. You never have a pressure injury that goes from a stage 3 to a stage 2 to a stage 1. You always have a healing stage 3 or a healed stage 3 injury. You would never go backwards as you are through the healing process. Okay, this is our head to toe assessment of Rose.
And this was brought to you by Under Armour.